Okay, so let's adjust these fills. Adjust the fills now, basically, to repeat this last section. Since we don't need the resample section anymore, we can get rid of it. Let's duplicate you out again. We can add the fills at the very end here. And then let's go ahead and grab you. And that's kind of our outro section. And then we actually probably should add some of the percussion as well. I keep forgetting about that. So you don't want to make it too drastic of a difference between the drums in the main section. And then when you go into the outro, you could kind of phase them out gradually. Let's go ahead and continue the brass too. It's a little bit too much of a contrast still. Like it goes from this really hype, energetic beat until up, and then it goes into the drums, the outro drums, which are not. It loses a lot of energy really quickly. Oh, I knew why. I couldn't figure out why that one hit was louder than the others, because the automation was off. So I'm at 85%. We can just go ahead and clear the envelope altogether and then make where I'm at right now 55. So we are at 85. In fact, let's actually try just adding a small little delay here, just to give a little rhythm to these brass hits at the very end. I don't know how it sounds during the drop with that. Okay, so you can have the best of both worlds. We can keep it off during the first drop and then keep it on during the second. And then in fact, we can actually add some more of these to the intro here. Not that much. See how it sounds with a little bit added. We could automate the high cut here. And that is the structure for our completed track. So now it's just a matter of going over it with some effects to kind of throw in some missing gaps, to bridge some missing pieces together. There's going to be a lot of impacts needed to be inserted here, especially during the breakdown, to give some cinematic effect to the whole thing. But I think the whole structure is ready to go, and we're ready to move on to the effect section.